Hello and welcome to my channel. Welcome to the DigitalBlackmagic channel. In this video, I'm going to present you an option to backup your files and systems. The condition is you need to have a Synology NAS. The software I'm going to present to you is called Active Backup for Business. At the moment of recording, the software is free of charge. All you need to do is install it in your package manager and register to Synology. The backup will be local to your Synology NAS system, and it's easy to set up. And how to add a system to a Synology Active Backup for Business solution is what I'm going to show you now. I hope you have fun and enjoy the video. Please log on to your Synology NAS using the system you want to add to the backup solution. Once logged on, you can open the Active Backup for Business solution in the application tab. Please go ahead and open it. Even though I'm using a virtual machine for this demonstration, I click on PC. Using virtual machine would open other options, but these options are not subject of this video. To add your device, please select Add Device. This will trigger a window which allows you to download the client software required for the backup solution. The software is available in a 32 and a 64-bit variant. Please select the appropriate for your Windows system. After downloading, please follow the steps of the installation wizard as you would installing any other program. After installing the software, you can minimize the browser window. The application will prompt you with the login credentials for your Synology NAS. Please don't follow my lead here and use a specified user which is non-privileged to process your backups. When clicking Connect, you may be prompted with a warning that there is no SSL certificate installed. That is okay for local installations and home use. If you run a business, you should fix that. And you are finished. The application added the client to the backup solution by using a default profile. The Synology Active Backup for Business application sits in the tray icon and can be used for monitoring purposes. To alter the backup proceedings, please switch back to the browser window we previously minimized. After leaving the download window, we can find the new computer in the devices list. Now you can select the task tab to find a new task for the machine we just added, and it says admin default as name. A bit of resizing is required, but now you can see the whole picture. By clicking Backup, we can create the first backup of this machine. After that, I will show you how to alter the settings of the backup. Switching to the Edit button opens the peripherals of that backup. Here you can change the name of the backup plan and you can select devices. The default is that all the device is backed up. In the next tab, you can change the schedule. I do the backup Sundays at 10 o'clock in the morning, and that is all I need for this machine. And in the next tab, you can choose your retention periods. The default is quite okay, but I like to have an archive like backup, and therefore I need to alter that. These settings are totally customizable and must fit your needs, not mine. So choose your values according to the space you have available for backups and the importance of the data you are backing up. Be aware that there are days, weeks, and months as measurements. The value of a backup usually is the ability to restore the data. To do that, we need to switch back to the main tab of the application and select PCs again. I select one of my older PCs to show you how the restore process works when you have files or folders to restore, which is by far more likely than a total crash of the system. After selecting the machine, you click Restore and open Restore Portal. In the upper left, you see the machine, in this case Odyssey, and you can select the volumes it has. This is a portable computer, so it has only one disk volume, and now you can browse like in a Windows Explorer to find the files you want to restore. When you have found the files or folders you want to restore, you can choose the slider at the bottom of the screen to select the timestamp of the backup you want to restore. Every backup which is currently available can be found in the timeline. Selecting a new timeline and therefore a new backup will trigger the Explorer window to reload. Once both the backup and the file to restore are selected, you can choose Download from a context menu. If you are on the particular system, of course, you can just choose Restore, and it should restore the file at the location where it was in the first place. Retracting a device or PC from the backup schedule and list is quite easy. You just select it in the main tab of the application and delete the device. The delete option is in the top line where the other options are located as well. And that's about it. This is basic how you set up an active backup for business solution using a Synology DiskStation NAS. I hope you liked the video. I will see you again. Have a nice day.